Welcome guys, if you want to check pairing code on your JBL Charge Essential, you have to click and hold the plus and the minus button for a few seconds. Of course, before that you have to turn on your speaker. So take a look, click and hold the plus and the minus.
0, 2, 2.
So that's the pairing code. So when you try to pair your speaker with any device and you got this pairing code request, just type the code that you hear. In my case it was the 022, and just accept and go for the next steps. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.